In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings in Meta Business Manager, and we'll aim to do this in just 5 minutes. Whether you've just started using Meta Business Manager or you're looking to switch to a language you're more comfortable with, this guide will help you through the process step by step. First, we need to start by navigating to the Meta for Business platform. Open your preferred web browser and type in Meta for Business in your search bar. Once you have the results, go ahead and click on the appropriate link to reach the main page. This is where all the business management tools provided by Meta are gathered together, and we'll be operating from here. Next, you'll need to log in. You can do this by using either your email, or you can choose to log in through your Facebook or Instagram account. Since Meta Business Manager is deeply integrated with these platforms, using your Facebook or Instagram credentials is a straightforward option that keeps things linked and simple. Once you're logged in and ready, you'll want to scroll down the page until you spot the language settings option. This might take a moment to find, so be sure to navigate carefully through the menus. It's usually tucked in amongst other account settings. Language settings are important as they help you interact efficiently with all the features Meta Business Manager offers in a language that suits you best. Clicking on Language Settings will route you to a dedicated page within your Facebook account showing various language and region options. This is an integral part because it merges your Facebook account preferences with your Meta Business Manager interactions, ensuring consistency across the platform. Now, you'll be presented with a list of available languages. Have a look through this list and select the one that you wish to use. This list is comprehensive, so you should be able to find the language you are most comfortable with. This change doesn't just make things easier to understand, but can also help you operate with greater confidence and efficiency. After you've selected the desired language from the list, you might be prompted to confirm your choice. Be sure to do this to finalize the process. In some cases, you might need to restart Facebook for the changes to take full effect. This can vary slightly depending on the device you are using and its current settings. So, there you have it. Changing the language on your Meta Business Manager is a simple task that can be completed in just a few moments. With these steps, you can tailor your business management experience to best fit your linguistic needs. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and helpful guides.